Core Forms can turn a WordPress site into a lightweight store for plugins, themes, and digital downloads. Start in Core Forms settings, then find License Issuing Server. Enable this setting and save. Core Forms creates the two pages the store needs, a shared checkout and a customer dashboard. If those pages already exist, it reuses them. The checkout page accepts a product and plan from its address. The customer dashboard gives buyers one place to view orders, manage licensed sites, and download current releases. Now, open Products and Licensing. This is the Commerce workspace, separate from the normal form builder. The overview uses real store records. It shows active products, licenses, subscriptions, and orders. The readiness checks also flag missing release packages or other setup work before you sell. Products hold your catalog and pricing plans. Licenses track access and site activations. Orders record purchases. Display gives you the blocks and shortcodes for building the storefront. The store is now ready for a product. In the next tutorial, I'll add one product, create its pricing plans, and explain the settings that control renewals and activation limits. A Core Forms product can be a plugin, a theme, or another digital download. I'm creating a fictional plugin called Focus Writer, so no live product or customer data appears in this tutorial. Give the product a clear name and slug, then add its current version. The product level activation limit is the safe default. Individual pricing plans can override it. The description appears in product cards and checkout views. Save the product before adding plans or release packages. The starter plan is free and lifetime with one site activation. A free plan is useful for trials, lead magnets, or a limited community edition. The professional annual plan costs $49 per year and permits 5 activations. Core Forms stores money in minor units internally, but the editor accepts the normal amount you expect to charge. One product can have several active plans. Each plan controls price, currency, billing term, trial period, duration, and activation limit without duplicating the product. Optional checkout forms add custom billing fields or actions. Releases hold verified zip packages for licensed downloads. We'll cover storefront display and checkout next. Core Forms includes matching blocks and shortcodes for catalogs, product cards, prices, buy buttons, checkout, and the customer dashboard. I'll use blocks so the page stays visual inside the WordPress editor. Create a page, then search the inserter for product. Core Forms adds dedicated commerce blocks to the same category as its form block. The product catalog block can filter by product type, limit the number of results, change the order, and use up to 4 columns. 3 columns works well with Astra on a normal desktop page. A single product block is useful for landing pages. Select the product, then show one plan or all active plans with the current version and description. The buy button links directly to the shared checkout with the product and plan already selected. The price never comes from the browser. Core Forms resolves it from the saved plan. On the front end, Astra handles the page layout while Core Forms renders the catalog and pricing. Every purchase control points to the native checkout created during store setup. The checkout asks only for the customer details needed to create the order. Paid plans also show the configured gateways allowed for that plan's currency. This free starter plan lets us test the complete order and licensing flow without a gateway or payment credentials. I'm using fictional local details. Core Forms creates the order from the saved product and plan, then issues the license because this plan has no charge. The buyer receives access to the customer dashboard. Guest access uses a signed link with a limited lifetime rather than putting a reusable password in the address. In orders, the administrator can see the customer, plan, amount, status, and fulfillment record. The free order is complete without pretending that a payment occurred. The license record tracks status, expiry, activation limit, activated sites, and related activity. The full key stays masked until an authorized administrator chooses to reveal it. The customer dashboard brings orders, package downloads, expiry, and site activations together. Customers can deactivate a site themselves when they move a license. That completes the local buyer flow: storefront, checkout, order, license, and customer access. A paid order follows the same structure but fulfillment waits for a signed payment webhook before actions run.